Good morning, students. This is our science class. Today we are going to learn about claws of birds. Here, claw means a curved, pointed nail of the foot of a bird. Claw को हिंदी में पंजा कहते हैं. Let us read. Birds use their claws just like we use our hands and legs. Birds use their claws just like we use our hands and legs. We use our hands and legs for different activities, to hold things, to walk, run and jump. In the same way, birds use their claws. They use claws to catch and eat food. Birds use their claws to catch different birds and eat food, to move about and to protect themselves from their enemies. Here and there, they use their claws to move here and there and protect themselves from their enemies. अपना दुश्मनों से अपने आप को बचाने के लिए they use their claws. All birds have 2 feet with 4 toes each. Each and every bird has 2 feet with 4 toes each. Here TOES, toes means the fingers on the feet. Feet पे जो fingers रहते हैं उसको toes कहते हैं. The claws of birds tell us about their living habits. Birds के claws उनके living habits के बारे में बताते हैं. This is claw. This is called claw. Understand? Now, types of claws. First one, perching. Perching birds like crow, sparrow, pigeon, etc. have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Birds like crow, sparrow, pigeon, all these are small birds. They are perching birds. They have 3 toes in front. Look at this claw of a sparrow. They have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Okay? This helps them to grip the branch of the tree while sitting and even while sleeping. Okay? This claw, it helps them to sit on a tree, and even while sleeping they will get good grip. Good grip means they do not fall off even when they sit or sleeping on the branch. Okay? ब्रांच के ऊपर बैठते समय या सोते समय वो बिल्कुल गिरते नहीं है, क्योंकि एक क्लॉज से उनको बहुत अच्छा ग्रिप ब्रांच के ऊपर मिलता है. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, PREYING, praying, BIRDS, birds. Praying birds. Birds like eagles and vultures have sharp and curved claws called talons for holding small animals like rats, toad and mice. These are the praying birds. These praying birds kill other birds and animals and eat them. Okay? So these birds have sharp and curved claws called talons. Look at this. An eagle. It has sharp and curved, strong claws. Okay? These are called talons. They use their talons for holding small animals like rat, toad and mice. छोटे छोटे rats को toad, frog, breed को and mice को catch करके वो खाने के लिए अपना ये claws use करते. Look at this, its claw, very strong, sharp, isn't it? Next, third point is SCRATCHING, scratching birds like hens, peacocks have a small 5th extra toe a little higher up at the back of the leg. Scratching birds means the birds which scratch the ground. जमीन को ऐसे ऐसे scratch करते हैं. They are called scratching birds. They have a small 5th extra toe a little higher up at the back of the leg. Look at this. This is hen. Look at its claw. इनका feet में 4 fingers, 4 toes, along with 4 toes, 1 more toe will be there हायर अप एट द बैक ऑफ द लेग, लेग के पीछे की तरफ, दिस वन, एक और एक टो रहती है. They have sharp claws to scratch the earth to find buried insects and seeds. Buried means दबी हुई, जमीन के अंदर जो दबी हुई इंसेक्ट्स एंड सीड्स को अपना क्लॉ से ऐसे स्क्रैच करके उसको बाहर निकाल के खाते हैं. इन दिस वे देयर क्लॉस हेल्प देम. नेक्स्ट, फोर्थ वन, SWIMMING swimming birds like ducks and geese have webbed feet. This is the webbed feet of a duck. Ducks and geese, they have webbed feet, which help them to swim in water. The front three toes are joined by skin, which helps them to push water back while swimming. These webbed feet help the ducks and geese to swim in water. At the same time, the front three toes are joined by skin. देखो 1 2 3, these three toes joined by skin, skin से जुड़ा हुआ है, which help them to push water back while swimming. ऐसा वाटर स्विमिंग करते समय वाटर का ऐसा पेडलिंग करते हैं ना, वो उसका में ऐसा वाटर को पीछे पीछे वो पुश करते हैं. In this way, their webbed feet help them in swimming water, to swim in water. Next, fifth one, WADING birds. Wading birds. Wading birds like crane, heron. Wading birds like crane, herons walk through water. What are wading birds, dear children? Wading birds, they can walk through water and in search of food. Okay, wading birds water में walk कर सकते हैं. They have long legs with spread out toes to walk easily in mud. उनका look at its legs, very long legs they are having and with spread out toes. Toes यानी एकदम ऐसा दूर दूर spread रहता है, spread होके रहता है. These legs help them to easily walk in mud. Understand? They have long legs with spread out toes to walk easily in mud. Mud means water bodies के अगल बगल में mud बहुत sticky होती है. So in that mud also they can walk very easily with the help of their long legs. They pick out fish from the water to eat. वो water से fish को pick करके खाते हैं. Next, sixth one, CLIMBING climbing birds. What are climbing birds? Crane and parakeet. Sorry, parakeet and woodpecker. Climbing birds are woodpecker and parakeet. Woodpecker and parakeet have, even parrot also, it can climb the tree. Woodpecker and parakeet have two toes pointed upwards and two toes pointing downwards. Look, two toes ऐसा upward ऊपर की तरफ होते हैं, two toes नीचे की तरफ होते हैं. ऐसा एक ऊपर की तरफ, एक ऐसे नीचे की तरफ होते हैं. I will show you the pic. Look at this. Can you see this? They have two toes pointing upwards, ऊपर की तरफ रहते हैं, and two toes pointing downwards, नीचे की तरफ two toes रहते हैं, like this. This help them to climb and grip the tree trunk firmly. ये two toes upwards and two toes downwards की तरफ pointing होते हुए रहने की वजह से they can easily climb and grip the tree. बहुत आसानी से वो ट्री ट्रंक को पकड़ के ऊपर चढ़ सकते हैं. Understand, children? Not only woodpecker and parakeet, even parrot also, it can climb the tree with the help of its toes. Okay, children? And here a small activity is given. Let us read it. Have you ever seen a bird sleeping in the night? आप कभी रात के समय सोती हुई बर्ड को देखे हैं? It does not lie down and sleep like us. ये हम लोग जैसा, okay, mammal, I mean human जैसा ले होके नहीं सो सकती है. Then how does it sleep? फिर वो कैसे सोती है? Find out. आंसर फाइंड करने के लिए बोला गया है. Children, for this activity you have to observe each and every bird and notice them. Okay, about this question, This topic we will discuss in the next live class. Okay. So till then, read and understand all the terms from page number 29 and 30. Okay, children, and take care.